Never felt that way for another. It's not like you were Superman, but your power over me was all I had. I tell myself to stop and breathe, or else these thoughts take over me. Sometimes I wish we had a chance, just one more kiss or one more dance. But doesn't matter, will never matter what I say. That could have been me, this would have been you. How can a love so deep slip through? The cracks in our heart will remain like the tears that are stained black and blue. Oh, that should be me, I wish it were you. But now there's nothing we can do. We had to give up, love just wasn't enough. If I had to tell the truth, I wish it were you. To know she has you now, 'cause I let go. Replay the past, holding on to all that's left. Can't help it, been selfish, have nothing like this. Every time I close my eyes at night, I think about me lying with you. But it doesn't matter now, I've got nothing else to lose. That could have been me.